Hey YouTube, how we doing today? That's right, we got another blade from Gerber in the shop, and for some reason, I was really drawn to this one when I saw it online. I thought, hey, it looks cool, I like the color combinations, all that other great stuff. But man, this is going to be a weird review, because this is the first blade I just absolutely hated when I got it in my hands. So stay tuned, we're going to roll that intro, and you're going to see why. Alrighty guys, thank you for staying past that intro. Today we're going to take a look at the Gerber Myth Pocket Folder. And it kind of has to be said that way because Gerber created a whole line around the Myth, like flashlights, gut hooks, fixed blades. Now, for you cool guys who've been watching for a while and haven't subscribed, please man, go ahead and destroy that subscribe button. It should be, I think it's over in the lower right hand corner of your screen on whatever channel you're, whatever implement you're watching YouTube on. That would mean the world to me. Now, as I stated, yeah, this is the Gerber Myth Pocket Folder. I really loved the chocolate brown, for lack of a better phrase, on top of the grippy black. And yeah, those are rubber overmolds. That's the only phrase I can think of, that they put over the top to make it easier and sit right in your hand. Now, I like that concept. I'm like, okay, well, if it's a little cold, it gives you better grip. If it's hot, hopefully it's not going to get too rubbery, runny, and all that other fun stuff. But I started seeing some problems once I got it out of the package. For starters, I had to spend 30 minutes cleaning the handle because it's like it had a slick over the top and it left film in your hands. And that just didn't sit well with me at all. Now, the other part that made me go, okay, what the heck? This is not an assisted opening blade at all. It's manual opening the whole way. So, let's see. See that jump up like that? Manual blades just should not do that. Alright. Not to mention, we're going to cover this again. It's got a lockback system that I like, but that should be coming down. And I have to put a lot of pressure to break the lockback. It's in the lockback, the locking mechanism is interfering with it closing. So those are the things I noticed right away. It has blade play right out of the package. Alright, well, let's do the usual stuff that we do. Alright. It's got an overall length of 8.25 inches, closed 4.75, and the blade is 3.50. It comes in at an itty bitty little weight of 3.10 ounces. So, I mean, it's there, but it's really not noticeable that it's there. Now, here's something else I found weird with this blade. I've never run into this before trying to track down a blade steel. All I could find on the 3 most popular websites out there were stainless. I had to dig and dig and dig and find a small little write-up on Gerber about this. And Gerber says it's a high carbon stainless steel. So I'm guessing it's like that 440 stainless steel, somewhere around there. So it's a crap steel, in my opinion, which would explain for a lower cost. But continuing on with this guy, it's got a drop point edge, which I really truly love those. The handle, well, I should say, it's got a drop point style. It's got plain edge, which, if you know with Gerber, that's a miracle nowadays, because they love putting serrations on everything. Now, the handle is glass reinforced nylon. But this is what got me, is it has a stainless steel frame. Do you see any steel in there? Do you? I don't, unless I'm guessing there's some little plates right up in front, and even then, trying to look down in there, I'll be honest with you, I don't see them. So, could that explain for some of the problems that I'm having with, like, the locking mechanism? I don't know. Now, it has a one-position pocket clip, And the only way to carry her is, well, tip down. And I don't know if you can see under there. There's still part of the crap I didn't get off with just using baby wipes and Clorox wipes. If you can see the shininess, it's right there. It does have dual thumb studs. And like I said, it's got a lock back, but let's see this. I'm surprised that held. I really truly am. Okay, it does have that wonderful little lanyard hole. Now, as you know, with most Gerber stuff, there's the Gerber logo. No made in Portland, so this guy's made over in China. All right. Now, the fun part. It's got a bit of a rough edge. When it cuts, no biggie, it cuts. But there you go on the blade. Alright, now for some paracord. Surprisingly not bad on that pull test. I expected it to do a lot worse. In a slice test, it took a little bit more effort to get through 2 pieces. Okay, so as we usually do, we took a look at the cost on Amazon, Gerber, and Blade HQ. Over on Amazon, $24.93. On Gerber, $33. And on Blade HQ, $32.95. We took a look at the ratings as usual. On Blade HQ, it has not been reviewed. On Gerber, it gets 4 out of 5 stars. And I've said this before in other videos. I really doubt their rating system. When I'm seeing lots of 1s and 2s, you better have thousands of reviews in order for it to get 4 out of 5, because the math is not adding up worth a damn to me. Over on Amazon, it's got 3.2 stars out of 5. Now, I'm going to tell you guys, as you know, we're getting at the very end here. I wouldn't buy this again if I had a choice. I wanted it because I like the coloration. I thought it was, you know, incredibly interesting. Might be a great, easy, everyday carry, especially with, you know, the grippy parts, because I live in the Pacific Northwest, and it rains like, I don't know, 10 months out of the year. So anything that's going to help me hold on to something a little better, I want. But with that being said, you know, I want to know what you guys think. All of you out there watching this, leave your questions, your comments, your hatred, whatever, man, down below. You know I want it. You know I'll respond great to it, and we're going to have a great conversation. Now, if you're a first-time viewer of this channel, I want to thank you so much for picking this one. I know it's a weird one to start with. As a matter of fact, I even debated not shooting this video, but I got to be honest with stuff, and I got to bring what I see right out there into YouTube. Now, for you cool guys that have yet to hit subscribe, you're going to see a channel logo popping up right down here. Please go ahead and click on that. I'll wait a second for you. Go ahead and click. You know you want to click. Go ahead and click. Now, once you've done that, please go ahead and destroy that bell icon that's right next to the subscribe button. That will notify you every single time we upload a brand new video. Now, speaking of videos, 2 are going to pop up over here. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my catalog of videos that they think are going to be a great viewing experience for you. Guys, there you go. My, how should I say, unbiased look at the Gerber Myth folding blade. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have an incredible day.